We're a secondary packaging company. We build the machines that put the prepackaged goods into another case to be sold.
Well, Douglas is very vertically integrated, which means we do everything from the design of machines to fabricating the parts. We have our own metal finishing facility to assemble our machines. Once they ship from Douglas, we have after the sale support of replacement parts and field service.
So many of our technologies that we implement here at Douglas Machine are very cutting edge. Companies come to us all the time, companies that provide us components, and they say, hey, we have this brand new component, can you guys utilize this? Sometimes we can and sometimes we can't. But many times they're supplying these to some of the biggest manufacturers in the world, and we're implementing these into our machines.
If you think about, like World War II and all that, you just wonder how they ever made all those parts, It must have taken forever. And now we can build them, what took a week, we can build in a few hours.
Whenever I go out there, I'm kind of awestruck by all the equipment we have out there. It's pretty amazing, and it's exciting to see all the new technology.
Well, even 2 years ago, we were making pretty simple parts, and with the technology that we have now, I've seen the parts just elaborate.
Douglas stands behind the equipment, the word, that when we make a promise or commitment, we will give them all that we've promised and more. And I think that's had a lot to do with our growth through the years.
The great recession that we just went through, we actually grew the revenue of the company during that time period.
Douglas builds very solid equipment, and that's, I definitely think they're the Cadillac of packaging machinery.
I think we are a world-class manufacturer, and we're very innovative and we're very exciting. We come up with new products, and we're seen as a top manufacturer.
5 years from now, I see us being able to provide a full production line for a customer where they can come to Douglas and say, we want to put a brand new line in, and from fillers to packaging to case packing to palletizing, the whole line. I believe we can provide a full line for our customers in the future.
When I go to a customer plant and I see the production increases that they have attained through our machines, it's a great feeling, because I know that not only did I make my company more profitable, I made their company more profitable, and I made their company more efficient.
When you can see something run all day long, and you see these operators run this machine and they don't fight it, that's pretty rewarding too,
Alexandria is a wonderful place to live, and Douglas Machine has a good reputation within the community.
Around here you can be a sportsman, you can be a fisherman, you can be a hunter, you can do all those things. You can have just a small town community feel and still have a good job with so much opportunity in it.